Hey guys, it's the Mountain Man here, and welcome back to Phineas and Ferb Across the Second Dimension. We're here back in the second dimension, not the second dimension in the game, but the titular second dimension the game's named after.
Looks like things are going to get more serious from here on out. We're sending you these OWCA agent beacons. You can use them as a gadget to call in reinforcements.
Alright, so we got our sixth and final gadget here, an OWCA beacon. We use it.
Sending reinforcements.
And this is Agent K, I'm pretty sure. He looks kind of weird right now, like his outlines are really bright. He almost looks cell shaded, but he's gonna follow us around.
Took the train we had ready. You will have to power up another one.
Okay, I could do that, or I could go back to the world map, because now that we have this here beacon, we actually have a mod for it that we can get already. If you remember way back in the gelatin dimension, let's see, I think it was it in this one? I guess if I'm wrong, I'll just edit the video. But if I'm remembering correctly, there should be a mod chip in this level, if you remember way back. I don't think I pointed it out, but it's we need the ninja gloves in order to get it. But I decided to wait until we actually got the beacon, because I'm pretty sure it's a mod for the beacon. It'd be pretty silly if it turned out to not be, but to be entirely honest, from this point on in the game, I don't really remember all too well. So, just gonna have to bear with me. Should be up here. I think it is. Ooh, a coin. And a chip. Yep, there it is. I was right. So we can jump on this wall now and grab it. Yep.
Demolition's training mod lets OWCA beacon agents leave behind explosives when they teleport out.
Nice. Alright, so now we got that. We can go over here. Use this. No real reason to. There's no fall damage in this game. I guess if you just wanted to make sure to safely get down. But anyway, we got that, so let's go back to the map. Alright, so we gotta defeat these robots again. Alright, so, and I think they're gonna talk. Or maybe not. Alright, so, Other Dimension Baljeet said that we gotta power up this train. So let's go and do that. See if I can't get this thing to level 4. I think it's on level 3 right now, if I remember correctly. Alright, so we got a little puzzle here. Let's see. Okay. There we go. Figured that one out pretty quickly. Alright, so let's hop on this here subway. Some sort of card, and I missed a coin, but oh well.
There are obstacles ahead. Get ready to jump.
Ow. I wasn't paying attention. Alright, so we enjoy the ride for a little bit, because I'm pretty sure we're going to get ambushed by enemies. If not on this one, then on a later track. Yep, here we are. Alright.
The tracks are out up ahead. Jump to that other train. Now!
Alrighty. So, let's just wait around for a little bit. There we go. And if you saw a coin over there, let's go ahead and go get that after we destroy these robots.
As soon as possible. More Norbots could show up at any moment. This one needs to be jump-started as well.
Alright, so let's destroy everything. And run back. I think Terry needs health. Yep, there we go. Alright, so we got some more levers to pull. They're all over the place. Alright, so let's head over here because there's one up here. There's not a puzzle to this one. The puzzle is just finding them. Following the wires. Let's pull this one. And we got one more. Okay, can't break the glass. We gotta walk back. And uh-oh, more robots. It's 2 games in a row that I've played where robots are some of the primary antagonists. And I plan to play more games in the future with robots as primary not protagonists, antagonists. Alright, so I skipped over this one. Oops. And there we go. That powers up that one. Let's jump on these carts now. Alrighty. So, no enemies on this one, thankfully. But that other one's gonna fall, and is Phineas gonna fall with it? No, he's safe. Nice. Alright, the partners always see the enemies first. Ooh, Phineas needs to heal. Let's gotta be quick about it, though. Alrighty, so let's jump to this one. Alright, Terry's flying there. That's pretty cool. Alright, so we're here at the next station. So let's hop out, and we got another one of these laser puzzles.
Another train to jumpstart.
And, ooh, there's a mod chip over there. These new kinds of robots. They're destroyed now. Oh, invisible wall. Alright, so we got these weird platforms here. I think they're gonna, like... Okay, they're gonna sink. And we got a carbonator receivers, I guess you could call them, over here. But I'm almost at 10 minutes, so I'm going to save that for the next video. So I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all next time, and we will use these, well, carbonator receivers, I guess. See ya.